Thank you very much for that wonderful energy. We just want to remind you that meron pa kaming one more weekend. That's on December 5, 6, 7, and we have 2 shows. So December 7, it's a matinee 3 p.m. and our closing show is 7 p.m. on December 7. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much. Guys, thank you for giving us spare time and that energy. Maraming salamat po. Please tell your friends, and I hope to get to see your friends on our last weekend. So thank you very much. And have a good night.